This is a regular watch, nothing special, just a simple watch. This is the Samsung Galaxy S3 Frontier smartwatch. The only thing common in the two watches is that this is smart and this is not so much. Charging the device is pretty simple. You just need to put it on the charging pad. And the watch starts to charge in a few seconds. Just like that. Due to the small AMOLED screen, charging doesn't take that much time. It's quick. So just half an hour later, it charged 25%. It is magnetic. So let's turn it on. You press this button, hold, and it starts up. It takes some time to start up. This is the actual startup time. It is a bit slow, to be sure. Alright, so it started up. This is the welcome screen. The watch itself. You can set watch faces. If you hold on them, on it, there. These are the downloaded watch faces. Oh, it is a bit laggy. You can choose from a lot of watch faces and you can download more. But I think this is the best and this is preloaded. So if you turn this well left, you get your notifications, and right, you get your quick menus, the music, the calendar, and many other things. You can customize everything on this watch. But if you want to go to the menu, you press this button, and here is the menu. It is Hungarian, so sorry for that. And if you go there and turn, there you are, you have more. And then there you are, you have more. These are preloaded. You have games also, but these are not the best things on this watch. Oh, I downloaded this. Basically, you can watch YouTube videos from your watch, directly from your watch. It is sick. You can search for anything you want. If you press this button, there, just like old times, you can write anything like A, B, C. Let's check out what we have. Oh, the ABC song. Yes. Oh, you can turn. So here you are. This is a full YouTube experience. Alright, if you want to go back one page, you press this. And if you want to go back all from to the main screen, you press this button. Alright, now check out the main benefit of owning this watch. And for me, is that you can upload pictures from your phone to the watch, to gallery. And these are my pictures. And these pictures are, how can I say, for to cheat on exams. Yes, that's right. It is Hungarian, but these are legit answers to questions, and I used it during an exam and I passed pretty easily. I know it is not the best way to promote something, but this thing is a very good point to buy a watch like this. And I show you how it works. So this is how it looks on your arm, the watch. Then if you want to check out the pictures you uploaded, you tilt it right side, you go into the gallery, oops, here, and you click on a random picture you want to check out, then you zoom in it and you can see how easily the letters are seen. Oh, so then if a teacher comes, just tilt your arm like this, and then the thing you just watched disappears, and then if the teacher goes away, you just tilt it back and you can continue to read the things during an exam, for example. This is this easy, and whatever you are doing on the watch, when someone comes, you just tilt it, and then your cheating is in disguise, and you tilt it back and you continue to do your things. Yes, so I don't want to give my opinion or endorse someone to try it out, but I think this is the best thing you can do on a smartwatch. This is a very useful thing to do, and you can upload a lot of pictures, like 100 or more, so it is a very good thing to have, I think. So thank you for watching. Leave like and comment and tell me your opinion about cheating with a smartwatch or cheating overall. Okay, then goodbye. And then if a teacher comes, you just tilt